I would like to request Mr. Rakesh Kumar ji, who was heading the advocacy committee, to just come and say 1 minute, sir. Thank you. You have been a pillar of support in this. And why we are standing and smiling today is all because of the advocacy committee, led by you, sir.
Thank you very much, Surajji. Our dynamic president, Mr. Bala, and his team, entire executive committee, all of you. If I say in one line, before 2020, if we used to connect over phone or otherwise for once in a year or maybe 3 or 4 times a year, but in 2020, I think we were very frequently talking to each other. We were connected with entire EC and also with all the members through WhatsApp messages, through email, and also through other means. So I think 2020 was a challenging year, but all of us have shown the unity and the strength. And now I think this is the time to perform. Thank you.
Rakesh ji, all events in India had 2 very important components, either overseas buyers visiting India or overseas exhibitors being a part of the show and showcasing their products to Indian buyers. With travel not as normal as we would like it to be, how are you planning to overcome the current travel challenges?
Surajji, very valid question. First of all, I would like to say that this COVID time, India has proved itself that we are different than the rest of the world. And people in a different way interpreted it. Some country, when even I met recently in the Indus Food, the organizers are sitting here from TPCI, they did an excellent show in our complex at India Expo Center and Mart. We had over 700 overseas buyers over there in the show. That was really amazing. I was rather surprised, shocked, both ways. It was a pleasant shock. So I had interaction with some of the people from the overseas. They were of a different view. Somebody said India has herd immunity. Somebody said India way of life is different. Some said India took the precautions at a very right time so that here there was no such number of the mortality rates and otherwise. So this time we have really proved ourselves, and I would like to rather say whatever is done under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi, and in particularly the last one, that we have the vaccine, the Indian vaccine, and that is provided to a very large part of the world, to the other countries. So this all has clubbed together that ultimately this is the time for India. The next 20 years are going to be for India. We always felt that our major competitor is China. So this is also the time when most of the overseas buyers, most of the overseas exhibitor, they have realized that, okay, no, China is not their destination. No more China. Now sentiment towards India are growing, and it's growing very fast. It would be a very, very temporary phase of maybe 2 months or 3 months when you may have some kind of a challenge to get the number of exhibitor or the visitors from overseas. But I am quite sure there is rather going to be a more opportunity for exhibiting in India, for visiting in India, for procuring from India, always. Our another destination where most of the exhibitors used to go and display, which was the Europe. That means all the messes in the Europe, whether it was a messe Frankfurt or Düsseldorf or other places or maybe, so mainly EU. Moreover, we always consider Germany as a gateway of exhibitions. And all the messes in the Europe are closed almost for the next 1 year. So where would these people exhibit? How they will sell their products? So you can rest assured, maybe in certain cases, they have to have their agents, they have to come to your shows, they have their representative to come to your show, they have to send their products, or maybe some representative have to travel, but they will definitely come. It's only for the next 3 months. By the time 60% of the world will be having vaccination, I think things will completely change. And even India also, you will find that after next 3 months, things will change. So friends, all of you have a great time ahead. Prepare yourself for a bigger performance. Rather, it will be difficult for you to handle such opportunities which are now coming ahead. So I foresee this way, my exhibitor foresee this way, and that is the reason my next show is not almost, rather my next show is a completely full. My exhibitor used to get afraid that if they don't participate in a particular show announced by me, then they will not get the same space in the next show. Further to that, we have very categorically informed and announced to all the exhibitors that even if they don't participate in this show, they will be considered the last year participants based on their participation of 2019. But still, all the exhibitors are very optimistic. They are coming to attend the show, and so the buyers are. The only difference is for this next 3 to 4 months, we should have hybrid model. So the buyer who comes right now, if the show is on, the buyer will attend. The buyers who are not able to come, at least they are connected with the booth over there and with the product there. So I think both ways, the ultimate object is the business, and we are able to at least have some takeaway from there. And the buyer who is not able to attend that physically will always repent that my competitor, he has been able to source the product from the market, the latest design, the latest product, the latest prices, then which I have not been able to do it. So definitely, I think he will always have that feeling, and he will be behind in the business. So I think the business economics works differently. All of us already see the kind of a Sensex, the share market, the Indian markets are growing. So next 20 years certainly are going to be very good, and there is absolutely no doubt of business at all. Thank you. Beside EPCH, my another hat is that also I'm chairman of the India Exposition Mart. I would like to just inform you that this time, 2020, when we found that the venues are closed, exhibitions are not being held, just in the 3 months, the moment the lockdown was little bit, the virtual lockdown was over, people were just otherwise moving out, some construction, other activities were allowed. We had quickly planned a lot of new initiatives so that the moment things will come normal, these initiatives are in place. We have now upgraded the entire facility in the venue. We spent over 150 crore in the venue, one for 128 rooms hotel in the venue, and that would be ready within the next 6 months. By the time everything comes normal, the exhibition center will have convention center, exhibition, marts, as well as the residential accommodation of 128 rooms. This time we also utilize for preparing new subjects. We have not wasted even a single day. The people were working from home, but everybody was working on their different subject. First of all, we organized around 40 to 45 different webinars with the different industry partners, because the venue also organizes certain shows. The one show is the Ayurveda Expo, World Assembly on Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, which is a very popular in that segment. So they did organize. They also organized the Himalayan Expo, Medicinal Plant, Aromatic Plants Expo, and the other was India International Hospitality Expo. On that front also, we were continuing. But some new subject also we researched during the period, and we are going to have in August and September months, 4 shows of our own. In addition to that, 3 new subjects are going to be addressed, which includes mother and child, toys, and also STEM. So these new subjects are coming to the venue, that is the one area. Just I am now reverting to the question of Mr. Naqvi, that organizers need some kind of a support from the venue. So the organizers are present here from the venue side, because I am the one who is from both the side. I am also organizer, being the world largest congregation of the handicraft show, which is known as IHF Delhi Fair, as well as I am from the venue India Expo Center and Mart, and the venue that has been built by the members. It is not a government money, it is not a private money too. It is a money that has come from the 1250 shareholder of our exhibition industry. They were all exhibition partners. Some of my partners are sitting here. One from Mr. Jain is also sitting here. So they took the shares and we built the complex in 60-acre land at Greater Noida. So that was a unique SPV model, special purpose vehicle model, that we had built over a period here. So the organizers are also our partners in progress. So I would like to make a small announcement that any organizer who feels that he is as a startup has a new subject, if he thinks his subject is really work but he is finding difficulty in affording the cost of the venue, we would request him to come forward, join hands with us, and we can even together work over there. He need not pay for the venue cost, but he can come and we can work out a model together, and then definitely we have to make that particular fair or event or activity successful, and both can have a win-win situation over there. Thank you.